go.
For these little printed mini coloring books, the best thing is to start by trimming the edges so it looks consistent all the way around, or it isn't going to fold quite as nicely. So fold in half landscape style, like this. Line it up carefully. I have a bone folder, you can do it without one. And then you're folding in half again. Lining these edges up. The more well lined up it is, the better the final result. And again, I have a bone folder, makes it a little easier for me, but you don't have to have one. And then I just fold these back. It doesn't really matter which way, but you want each little section of the mini coloring book to have its own folds. And this one I'm going to do this way, because that's the way that one goes. Just doing my best to line them up neatly. And then you unfold all of that. And now you have creases for each section. And we fold the long way. And now we're going to cut just to here, just this one section, right along the fold line. And then we unfold again, fold back this way, open it up like this, and fold here. And then I just gave an extra crease to all the parts, and here you have your little mini coloring book. And you can glue some of these extra pages if you're concerned about them coming up, but it is perfectly functional from here.